What's good, everybody, and welcome back to the Champion Enterprise channel. And I'm excited to do another unboxing video. This time I have an actual box. Last time I had the sleeve and I had my book in it, and I'm really excited to see what we have inside. All right, and it looks like, this one is gonna be my Make an Impact trucker hat from ItsMarvyMarv. He has an amazing barber community over on school. Make sure you follow him on Instagram. This came with a little sleeve inside. And this is an official trucker hat. So, I got my little John here, and then the business is barbering is my religion, so I thought that was pretty cool. So let me go ahead and try this bad boy on. If I could figure out the lining again, it's not a product error, it's a user error, right? So, all right, yeah, man, it's a pretty comfortable fit. And as mentioned, I could press it in the back to make it more tighter or looser. Very strong bill on the build here. A nice cushion here, soft and comfortable on my head. And now I feel like I'm being recruited for a major like sports or something, But this hat will be a part of my official uniform as I'm out networking and going to barbershops and barber schools, wanting to get my book sold so it can get in the hands of those students and new barbers inside the shop, where development opportunities may be limited, not as a career for technical skills, fading, cutting, scissors, etc., but more for that business development, which is part of the focus of this channel, right? Barber development and entrepreneurial education. So I got my nice shirt on because I'm about to go to work, but I wanted to do a quick unboxing video. Again, make sure you check out ItsMarvyMarv on Instagram. He has some great stuff going on. Very down to earth, very insightful. He's one of my favorite barber influencers on social media right now. He also has a school community that is very affordable and other courses and resources to help you grow your career as a barber for years and years to come. So make sure you check him out. And this hat is again now officially part of my uniform, so you'll be seeing me wearing it a lot more often. Without further ado, I'm headed to work. Just wanted to do a quick unboxing, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.